Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make a marshmallow ghost in Wacky Wizards. First, locate your cauldron in the game. You'll need two specific ingredients for this spooky creation, the marshmallow and the ghostly ingredient. Make sure both are readily available in your inventory or can be easily obtained. This process is straightforward and quick, allowing you to enjoy your new form in no time. Let's get brewing. Once you have both ingredients, the next step is simple. Carefully place the marshmallow into your cauldron. Immediately after, add the ghostly ingredient. The cauldron will begin to bubble and brew, indicating that your potion is being created. This magical reaction takes only a few moments, so be patient as the transformation occurs. Soon, your unique concoction will be ready to use. With your potion brewed, it's time for the exciting part. Drink the marshmallow ghost potion directly from your cauldron. You'll instantly notice your character transforming into a translucent, marshmallow-like ghost. This new form grants you unique abilities and a fun way to interact with the game world. Enjoy floating around and surprising your friends with your spooky new appearance. It's a truly wacky experience. Now that you're a marshmallow ghost, feel free to experiment. Try adding other ingredients to your ghost potion for even more unique and hilarious effects. Share your ghostly adventures and creations with friends in Wacky Wizards. And hey, while you're having fun, remember to check the description below for a link to grab some Little Trees black ice for your car, plus other great deals. Thanks for watching, and happy brewing.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.